Politics over the Karnataka sex abuse case peaks. The JDS, which is already under fire over the alleged sex tapes and sexual assault allegations, has now filed a complaint against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. The complaint has been lodged against Rahul Gandhi's statement, which was made in his Shiv Moga public meeting, that over 400 women have been allegedly raped by Prajwal Revanna. The complaint has been lodged with the state DG and the IG, and in its complaint, the JDS has said that in order to bring justice to the 400 women mentioned by Rahul Gandhi, the leader must provide the details of all of the women who were allegedly raped by Prajwal Revanna to the Special Investigation Team. And if Rahul Gandhi fails to do so, a criminal case can be registered against him at the earliest. Meanwhile, the State Home Minister, G. Parameshwara, has slammed the centre, stating that instead of playing politics, they should first cancel Prajwal's passport as requested by the state government.
ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೂಡ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಬರೀ ಟೀಕೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕಾನೂನಿನ ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟನ್ನು, ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ನಮಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಈಗ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೋರ್ಟಿಂದ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ SIT ಪತ್ರ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಅಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಅವರ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ಅದು.
We're crossing over to my colleague Neha to get us more on this. She's been tracking all the developments in this case. You know, Neha, let's move beyond the war of her words here, because really the question is more about where exactly is Prajwal Revanna at this point, considering that the state government has already made a request to the centre seeking the cancellation of his diplomatic passport.
Oh, that's right, Aisha. Of course, unfortunate as it is, we're seeing that the politics around this case only seems to be escalating. While on one hand, you have the authorities right now that are investigating this matter, that have no idea about Prajwal Revanna's whereabouts. On the other hand, is in fact the politics playing out now. You have JDS leaders there who've approached the DGP requesting that a case be registered against, the Congress leaders here, including Rahul Gandhi, merely because of the fact that they've gone on to call Prajwal Revanna a mass rapist. Of course, it remains to be seen, one, what action comes through, if at all, against Rahul Gandhi based on his complaint, and two, where politicians are going to go beyond the politics of this and start thinking about the victims over here in concern.